In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to use Afterpay on Amazon. As of my last update in September 2021, Amazon doesn't directly support Afterpay as a payment method. However, payment options and partnerships can change over time. If Afterpay has become available on Amazon in 2023, here's a general guide on how you might use it. Step 1. Check availability. First, ensure that Amazon has integrated Afterpay as a payment option. Visit the Amazon website and look for any announcements or sections related to payment methods. Step 2. Add items to cart. Browse the Amazon website and add the items you want to purchase your cart. Step 3. Proceed to checkout. When you're ready to complete your purchase, go to your cart and click on the Proceed to Checkout button. Step 4. Select payment method. On the checkout page, you should see a list of available payment methods. If Afterpay is supported, it should be listed as an option along with credit or debit cards, gift cards, and more. Step 5. Choose Afterpay. Select Afterpay as your payment method. You might be prompted to log into your Afterpay account at this point. Step 6. Complete purchase. After selecting Afterpay, follow the prompts to complete your purchase. This might involve confirming your payment details and agreeing to the terms and conditions. And step 7. Afterpay payments. With Afterpay, your total purchase amount will be divided into your 4 equal installments. You'll pay the first installment at the time of purchase, and the remaining 3 payments will be automatically deducted every 2 weeks from the payment method you've set up with Afterpay. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.